secret adventure from the refrigerator, you know?
Yeah, the refrigerator.
Refrigerator. What?
You said refrigerator.
What was it?
Refrigerator.
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 Refrigerator. If you live in Korea, you must visit here.
Or else you'll be alien.
It's hot outside.
It's too hot, right?
But we're here, the fruits restaurant.
장프리고.
It looks cool, so let's get into it. Okay, we just got out.
I would say it's a positive experience. It's pretty good. It is $57, 57,000 South Korean won.
Yeah, so parking?
There's parking.
Some.
I think street parking.
Yeah, street parking.
Street parking. Didn't see any Wi-Fi. I think the overall vibe, definitely more of a bar feel. If you're going for dinner, don't eat before and then go there for drinks.
Unique vibe.
Very unique. Some interesting things that I saw was every table had a fruit. So we were the orange table and the table next to us was like pear. So every table was a different fruit and you would just say, hey, I'm calling for orange table and I want this.
Yeah, it's pretty good experience and unique vibe and some secret adventure from the refrigerator, you know?
Yeah, the refrigerator.
Refrigerator. What?
You said refrigerator.
What was it?
Refrigerator.
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 Refrigerator. Anyway, my final rate is 6.
Yeah, I'm gonna say it's also a 6. I really wanted it to be higher because it's so cool. Like, so we were passing the street and it looks like a literal fruit supermarket. It has literal fruit baskets with prices or something and phones. And another unique thing is whenever you want to order something, you just call on the phone and you say, hey, like, I'm ordering for our orange table or whatever fruit your table is from. So, and then you walk literally through the fridge as you guys saw, and I thought that was just very cool. I think the overall vibe, aesthetic, very, very cool.
It's a good, unique concept, and it's good to go for the first time, but it's kind of bit expensive, and there's not a lot of food since it's a bar vibe.
And the thing is, for me, we got there at like 7 something, right? and they open at 6. Upon us being there, they're already telling us that 2 menu items are sold out, which is fine. I guess you're busy, but I don't know, that's kind of not good. If you open at 6, we get there at 7 to 7:30, and within the first hour you're out completely of 2 items. I don't know, that wouldn't be a good experience to me, especially if you have maybe less than 10 menu items, like food options. So then the things that everybody wants, gone, like pasta. And so then we were eating a cheese platter, which is totally fine. Love cheese, we both love cheese. We were appreciative. But then I think the sizing was very...
Okay, done.
Okay.
So our final rate is 6. So you know our outro. A.
A.
Bye.
Bye.